My name is Manish Gupta and I am Vice President Supply Chain and Operations at Upscaleo. We try to solve the supply chain problems. So as a single business owner, when he operates from a single facility from any part of the country, generally the delivery timelines are higher because he is delivering across India, and as well as the logistic costs are higher. So we help them by providing the inventory regionalization. So that basically involves making the inventory live in all 5 locations, that is north, east, west, south and central. So that reduces the delivery timeline as well as the last mile delivery cost. Also, when a seller operates from a single facility, he generally faces the challenges in terms of order processing and last mile delivery. We solve those challenges by dividing that order process across 5 locations and then do the faster last mile delivery. So that helps increasing in sales. We also set up processes. So during my experience with both Paytm, Mahindra Logistics as well as my previous organizations, I have learned the importance of SOPs. When you have to scale up, so in e-commerce, the volume increases very, you can say, exponentially during festival seasons, and it involves a lot of, you can say, manpower intensive work, and therefore you need to have a standard process so that you can scale up. So we design all the processes, make them standardized, and then we scale up whenever the festival season come or whatever happens, whether we have to upscale or descale, it becomes now an automated task. Apart from that, generally a seller is sourcing from a single location. So if a seller is in Mumbai, he might be sourcing 80 to 90% of the products from Maharashtra itself, but we help them in sourcing across India as well as international markets. So that helps in reducing their cost of sourcing, plus that helps in increasing their product bandwidth. It means launching new products at the right time, at the right price, and for the right customer taste. When we are focusing on improving the customer experience, so generally CSAT and NPS are the things which usually seller follows. So Net Promoter Score and CSAT and generally the outputs. We focus on the inputs, which are the average resolution time and first response time. So first response time is when a customer raises a ticket, how fast you are just accepting that ticket and telling them that yes, we are solving it. So the first contact with the customer is, you don't have to provide a solution in the first go. You just have to first receive, and that reception of those tickets or complaints or feedback should be very fast. So that we call as first response time. We track that and we improve that. And then the average resolution time is the solving the ticket. Say for example, a customer says that I got a different size, I need a new size. So the replacement will take some time. But first the assurance has to come very fast, and then you have to do the resolution. That should also be very fast. And overall the communication should be maintained. Plus we also believe in process of ongoing improvement as well as theory of constraints. So what we do is, based on customer inputs, we are not just solving those tickets at a transaction level. We solve the entire process. So we take that feedback into account. If it is related to sourcing, we improve the sourcing. If it is related to packaging, we improve the packaging. If it is related to say the quality, or if it is related to say the specification of the product. So we evolve our overall business based on customer feedback, and that helps in gaining much more customer, you can say, confidence, and therefore the customer delight metrics follows.